In this video, we're going to be talking about perpendicular graphs. Now, perpendicular graphs cross at a 90-degree angle. If we look at the example on the right, our red line and our green line, if they were to be perpendicular to each other, they would cross at 90 degrees. What we also note is that one will be increasing, like the green one, and one will be decreasing like the red. And an interesting fact, the gradient of one, so say the gradient of the green, equal the negative gradient of the red. That is a relationship that is really important. So, for our first question, write any equation of a line that is perpendicular to y equals 4x plus 10. Now, what is interesting to note is that y equals 4x plus 10 has an infinite number of perpendicular lines. So, for example, if this green line is the one we're interested in, any of these red lines would be perpendicular. So if we want to write an equation for a line that is perpendicular to y equals 4x plus 10, we need to look at our relationship we have above. So the gradient of any line that is perpendicular to 4x plus 10 will have a gradient of negative 1 over 4. So the gradient of any line that is perpendicular will be negative 1 over 4. Now we can add any number onto this that we want, so I'm just going to put a c, just to say any number. Have a look at another example. What is the equation of the line that is perpendicular to y equals 2x plus 3 at the point 2, 7. Now this is a bit more restrictive than our last question, but we're going to approach it in the same way as we started last time. Gradient of this line is going to be negative 1 over 2, because it's the negative reciprocal of our other line. And I'm still going to write this plus c because we need to work out that plus c. The thing that allows us to work out that plus c is the coordinate. And what we're going to do is we're going to substitute this in to our equation here to work out what c is. So our y value is 7. Our x value is 2. And we've still got that plus c. 7 equals minus a half times 2 is 1, plus c. We're going to add 1 to both sides. They cancel, so 8 equals c. So the gradient of our line is going to be, the equation of our line is going to be negative a half x plus 8.